Alrighty then. So this is Balto barking here. This is how Balto is. This is how I meet Balto. Balto! This is how I meet Balto. So here's Balto. I just met a few minutes ago. So he's pulling me and he's distracted. He's pulling me somewhere. Hey Balto, Balto, what are you doing? Come on Balto, come on. So this is Balto. We're walking and the leash is loose, so when I stop, he has to stop. Let's go fast, I go fast, I stop. Balto stops and the leash is still loose. Come on Balto, come on. Go faster and I stop. Balto goes a little bit and he's wagging the tail. Communication with Balto. Yes, looking at me, so I'm gonna stop here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yes, such a good boy. Sit. Yes, I don't have any treats. I just did it. You're awesome.